latest news update from Western Mass News.
I'm Chris Pisano with a look at your headlines. The Department of Public Health releasing the latest COVID-19 data. The state's positivity rate over the last 7 days sits at 5.35%. There have been more than 5,100 new cases and 27 new deaths due to the coronavirus. So far, nearly 71.5% of Massachusetts residents have been fully vaccinated. Certain non-essential elective services and procedures have been reduced by 50% at Massachusetts hospitals. This in hopes of easing some of the burden currently being put on hospital staff statewide. The change comes after hospitals report staffing shortages and rising hospitalizations. The Department of Public Health says they've lost about 500 medical, surgical, and ICU beds across the state. Springfield Police were out in force Wednesday patrolling another busy street in the city. After several recent fatal crashes, police have been conducting high visibility enforcement efforts targeting unsafe driving. This was their 5th special patrol operation so far in the city to help crack down on speeding and distracted drivers.
I'm meteorologist Janna Brown with a check of your forecast. Showers will continue overnight but taper off by sunrise. And for your Thursday, an unseasonably warm day, possibly tying or breaking some records across the Springfield area as we approach 60 degrees. Breezes will increase in the afternoon out of the south-southwest. Occasional gusts up to 30 miles an hour can't be ruled out. We'll start the day off with cloud cover but end up seeing some good sunshine by the afternoon as well. Then a cold front's going to come through Thursday night, but we're not dramatically cooler behind that front. The hill towns in the Berkshires will definitely see a temperature drop a little quicker Friday, but the valley still ends up close to 50. We'll also have some good sunshine in place. Then we're tracking our next storm system to start off the weekend. This looks to begin as snow sometime Saturday afternoon, but then should change over to a wintry mix. It could definitely cause some travel headaches for Saturday too. So keep that in mind if you do have travel plans for the weekend. This is also going to start a stretch of colder weather. Sunday a high of 36, and that cold, dry air will continue into early next week.
Stay with Western Mass News on air, online, and on our app throughout the day for breaking news, weather, and exclusive content.